Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this M&M Meats Citrus Spice Bistro Steak. I've never tried this. I know it was on sale, so I picked it up. So, here it is. If you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. Hopefully you guys can see that. It does contain soy. There's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read that, pause the video there. So let's open this up. It's actually a really small pack. There's the size of my hand. Like I said, it's actually pretty small. It's only 340 grams. But let's open this up. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Really small steaks. Yeah, let's see here. So yeah, let's cook it up. I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. Hey, this is the steak. It's all done. It is super tender and it's super juicy. So I cut off a piece right there. It was very easy to cut. And see how soft that is? Wow. The meat is literally melting in your mouth. It's very seasoned. Yeah, it's got like a lot of seasoning, but it's so tender. Alright guys, see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.